Now, let's pick a template for your website. A template gives you a complete layout with pages already designed. So what's the difference between a theme and a template? A theme, like Astra, controls the overall look of your entire website, things like fonts, colors, and layout. A template only controls the layout of one specific page, like your home page or about page. You can still change anything later, but choosing a good template gives us a great starting point. As you scroll, you'll see a few of these that are marked as premium. And if you click on any one of these, you can get a preview. If you aren't sure, click this X to return to the previous page. You can browse by category if you find that helpful, but this one caught my eye earlier, and I'll select that. If you have a site logo already, you can upload that here, but I'll show you how to do that later if you don't have one yet. And then you can choose a font pair and color palette here as well. When you're ready, click Continue. Instead of selecting features, I'll click Skip this step. And I'll skip and continue here. And finally, check that you understand and click Submit and build my website. Your website may take just a few minutes to build. Once it's finished, click here to visit your website. With your template installed and your site built, you can explore and navigate around, but it's time to use the Elementor page builder to change what's on your website.